Good afternoon, everyone. We are here to present an idea called the Action Replay, which caters to the challenging times that we are currently living in, where all the interaction between the colleagues happens just via a Zoom call. A recent study says that about 67% of all the meetings happen via a Zoom call with no actionable items. Yes, you heard it right, 67%. And we, being an Atlassian employee, it's our responsibility to address this fact. In all the meetings like stand-ups and scrum meetings, we have one person who basically multitasks between taking down notes, noting down the action items, the ones which needs to be having a Jira ticket in either paper and pen or by sticky notes. Now this becomes a very cumbersome task because after the meeting they'll have to go back and make sure those action items are recorded somewhere and the tickets are raised on the Jira board. The worst part is, let's say you forget the context of when you noted down this action item, it's just all the effort gone to waste. If this problem sounds familiar to you, here is where we present our idea and we call it as the Action Replay. Let's see a quick demo to see how it works. All that you need to do is just enter the Confluence page on the Jira board at the start of the meeting, and when you join the meeting, the chat window, which all the while was just to exchange messages, now does more. Click an icon and you can quickly create a ticket and assign it to somebody and hit enter, and that's it, the ticket is created. Now let's see how this looks on a Jira board. Right, you get a notification telling that a new ticket has been created, and when you refresh the page you see the ticket. Now let's enter the ticket. You see a video link which tells when this ticket was created, what's the context of it. And you can do a lot more, like just type /action item and enter the description and tag it to somebody. That would create an action item on a Confluence page along with all the hyperlinks and messages that you share on a Zoom chat. And this is how it looks. If you thought this is all that our idea can do, you're wrong. When you try to end the call, you now get a summary of all the action items and tickets that was created during the call. You can still go and edit or delete those items.
Users will join meeting via Zoom SDK client, which will be used to build apps with highly customized UX. The SDK client, with the help of Zoom server behind the scenes, will send webhook notifications of chat messages updates to the chatbot application, which is hosted using the ngrok tunnel. After listening to the messages, the chatbot app differentiates the messages as either action items or Jira tasks and use the REST APIs provided by the Jira and Confluence to asynchronously create or update the corresponding documents. Icing on the cake will be to provide the suggestions to the chat messages using the ML processing. So we have a working prototype where when the meeting starts, a new Confluence page is created in the background with the meeting ID as a title.
It's a very hot area and a lot of people are thinking about it. But yeah, I mean, absolutely, if something like that would be, is available, it would be simply awesome.
The idea is awesome, right? Particularly in the remote world, right, and anywhere world. We know that we do spend significant amounts of time on tools like Zoom.